Please welcome our esteemed principal, Sandra Arf.
Well, welcome everyone. I am so excited to see familiar faces and equally thrilled to welcome new ones to Cambridge International Academy's open house event. Tonight, it's so special. It's more than your typical open house parent information session. It is a unique opportunity for parents to learn our approach to education and how we excel our students to be their best. Before I dive into our school philosophy, I want to thank three special guests: Mayor Elizabeth Roy, MPP Lauren Coe, and MP Ryan Turnbull for your attendance and support. It does mean a lot to us. I also want to thank Richard Said for sharing his story with us this evening. On behalf of the Cambridge team, we are very proud of Richard for his achievements and great contributions he does here at our school community. Your story certainly is a testament to the values of our teaching, and he is an inspiration to our current and present students. Now, the relocation of our new facility signifies a milestone for our school. As you may have noticed in the video, this facility features an outstanding recreation center, a beautiful dining hall, spacious, high-tech classrooms, and the chance for our students to integrate in outdoor classes, taking advantage of the beautiful natural environment. We believe that this facility will enrich the school experience for all our students.